Alrighty, good Thursday afternoon, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather here on this Thursday morning on Halloween. Happy Halloween to everybody. Give me one moment here. That's going to mess up for a second. But welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather. Going to take a quick look here at today's outlook and what's in store for the rest of this week. Our severe weather threat has come to an end for the day today, as you can see on looking at radar right now. The line of storms was really not a big major setup. I wasn't expecting it to be too much, but we did have a few strong storms. Northwest Arkansas did see a tornado potentially up there in near Fayetteville. That we'll see what the National Weather Service does with that. That happened overnight. But this line moved through the area. We're seeing some leftover rain chances or rain showers and some thunderstorms ongoing up here in portions of the area. Pretty much all of our area is now clear. You're going to continue to see this rain move out as we go throughout the day today. And as that occurs, you can kind of see it's going to move off from it's going to clear from the east to or west to east as we go throughout the day today. Once again, it could still have some thunderstorms, but some very beneficial rainfall is what we received, and we'll show you what's in store with the model guidance for that. Once again, just one thing to remember, we're not done with our severe weather for good yet. For the next, we're done today, but we still have another round coming Monday, potentially Monday evening and Monday night, but we'll talk about that here at the end of this video vlog. Once again, taking a look at the rest of radar, the rest of the model guidance for future radar for what's in store for the rest of today, and we're going to take a quick look at the Halloween outlook and all that stuff here shortly. But really, what's in store for the rest of the day, you can see by this afternoon, we should start to clear out some. I do think there'll be some scattered isolated showers. You can't rule those out down there. Throughout the day, throughout the overnight hours, we could have some more little isolated showers, a few storms there, and we'll have to watch that as we go into Friday, but we'll talk about that more in just a moment. Real quickly, let's take a look at what's in store for the rest of today and what's in store for this upcoming time frame here shortly. Give me just 1 second here. As you can see, though, forecasted highs are going to be in the 70s and nearing 80 degrees down there in far southwestern portions of the coverage area. That cold front has made its way through, and that'll help, it's going to make its way through. It'll help keep temperatures a little cool, but next week we get a really good cold front that helps cool us down some more. Highs today, though, are going to range from the lower 70s up around Mena into the lower 80s down there near Magnolia and El Dorado areas. Elsewhere, mid to upper 70s will be possible there as we go throughout the day today. Now, taking a look at your overnight lows, those are going to be a little bit on the cooler side, maybe struggling to get, or maybe staying or getting down into the upper 40s up there near Mena, the Ouachita Mountains region. Elsewhere, you'll see the mid 50s and nearing 60 degrees in El Dorado as we head throughout the day today and the overnight hours tonight. If we get a little more cloud cover, if that cloud cover sticks around overnight tonight, you may see those overnight lows stay just a touch warmer, but we'll watch and see what occurs with that. Real quickly, taking a look at the Halloween outlook. This is kind of basically now we're going to be watching the afternoon time frame. You're going to see rain chances decrease from west to east. 40% chance of rain the rest of the day. Ignore the wind. I did not get to change that there. But 70 temperature is going to be really, right there in the mid to upper 70s there as we go throughout the afternoon. Then this evening, rain chances are mainly going to be in southeast Arkansas. Temperatures by about 5 p.m. should start to decrease, this is the evening, not necessarily 5 p.m., but about 7 p.m.-ish there. Temperatures should start decreasing into the 60s, upper 60s. Rain chances should be on the lower end, 20% chance. Some scattered thunderstorms and, some partly cloudy skies there with a few peaks of sun, but for the most part, it's going to stay cloudy as we go throughout the day today. Here's a look at your trick-or-treat rain chances. This will be after 5 p.m. or from, in the evening, around 5 p.m. time frame. Rain chances, once again, are highest really across the El Dorado, Magnolia, Camden, Fordyce areas. And then outside of that, they decrease down to around 10%. You can't rule out, a chance of an isolated shower or two, but for the most part, the majority of the rainfall looks to be coming to an end. And if data continues to trend the right way, that may get all out of our area by the time we trick or treat tonight. But once again, just be on the lookout for those rain chances potentially there across the area. Now, taking a quick look at your area-wide 6-day forecast for Friday through Wednesday. Once again, as you can see, something we haven't seen in a long time. Widespread rain chances and a bunch of rain chances really continuing throughout this time frame. On Friday, some rain showers will be possible, mostly cloudy skies, few peaks of sun, highs in the lower 70s, overnight lows in and around 60 degrees with a 30% chance of rain. Not as widespread today, but still some rain chances there. Tomorrow morning, we'll take a more closer look at your Friday Night Lights football forecast for all of our football fans. Saturday, you see a mixture of some thunderstorms and some mostly cloudy skies, some rain chances. 50% chance of rain. Forecasted high is going to be in the mid-70s. Overnight lows in the lower 60s across the area. We continue to kind of warm back up here throughout this weekend. Sunday, some scattered thunderstorms. 40% chance of some rainfall and storms. Mostly cloudy skies. Highs in the upper 70s. A few lower 80s will be possible with overnight lows in the mid-60s. Then on Monday, scattered thunderstorms continue to be likely there. 50% chance of rain. Highs going to be in the upper 70s. Lower 80s will be possible there as well. Overnight lows in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Mostly cloudy skies there as well. Few peaks of sun will be possible with a few scattered thunderstorms there, and just a few some clouds and stuff of that nature there as well. As we head into that overnight time frame, we'll have to watch what else occurs there. We're continuing to eye maybe a severe weather potential there. I'll show you the severe weather risk or newest severe weather risk for Monday or Tuesday, that is, of this upcoming week. Once again, we'll continue to monitor that closely. This may be just a tad bit stronger of a system than what we've seen today. And as you can see, it's going to bring a cold front in and really keep temperatures into the lower 70s and into the upper 40s and around 50 degrees for your overnight lows there on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, it's going to be even colder with highs in the 60s across the area and around 70 degrees. Overnight lows in the upper 40s. 30% chance of some rain showers and partly cloudy skies. A few more peaks of sun there for your day there on Wednesday. So give me 1 second here. Let me pull up the SPC outlook for day number 5, and let me make sure that I have this right. Let's see, that'll be for Monday into Tuesday. So that's what I was thinking there. So give me just one moment here. Taking a look at this here right now. For the most part, it's off over here in the Oklahoma area. But if you can see here, it's a wide area for a slight risk. And it does include portions like Mena, DeQueen, once again in that slight risk right now. And when you're 4 to 15 days out, you only have 2 risks, the slight risk and the enhanced risk. When you get a little closer to those day 1 and 3s, they can start to eyeball a little better about, hey, what severe weather threats look greatest. Let's put that marginal risk or any higher risk or stuff of that nature there. So you'll see this continue to evolve as we head towards Monday night and Tuesday. We'll have to watch this closely, though, as we already do have a severe weather risk. It wouldn't surprise me if we had another, or I fully expect us to have another chance of severe weather if trends continue to go the same way. What you're going to see, though, what will happen here, and I'll pull this up and show you this here in just a moment, but what you're going to see, here's day 1, here's the rest of today's severe weather outlook, and as you can see, basically, where that line's at, you have that marginal risk, which is a 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale, but taking a more wider look at the area here on tomorrow, you have a marginal risk in eastern or western Texas there. Day 3, you have that slight risk off over there in eastern or western Texas. And then day 4, that trough really just continues to show those severe weather chances looking likely there with this. We don't have anything on day 6 yet, but it wouldn't surprise me if we get closer. If trends continue, we may have those chances to see that. Now, real quickly, let me show you what data is showing with that there. This is going to be first taking a look at composite reflectivity throughout the next basically throughout this weekend into that time frame. Once again, remember, this isn't everything. It's future model guidance. It's one of the many tools we use to build a forecast, but it's not the only one that we use. And as you go throughout tomorrow, you can kind of see maybe some isolated scattered showers, but rain chances really want to try to pick up there as we go into Saturday. Not great for southwest Arkansas, but there's still some chances there. Then as we head into this Monday time frame, you can kind of see it's got a little bit of a line of storms trying to get going there across that area and move across Arkansas there as well. What is the reason for this? Let me show you the upper atmosphere here and show you what we're seeing with this. This is basically the jet stream and where you get your troughs, your ridges. This is one of the many things we basically get that help us get our weather and our severe weather. Like today, this trough up here, or this part of the jet stream, this jet streak up here, was what helped guide us the storms and rainfall that we got today. Now, as we go throughout this upcoming time frame, you'll watch and you'll see there'll be another chance for another system or trough to move through come next week here, and you'll see this here shortly. And you can kind of already start to see it off over here on the west coast come that time frame. But as you do, you kind of can see it starts to move a little closer towards us, and you start to get a little more of that energy and some higher wind higher wind speeds up further north of us. And as you can see here, this will be this little thing right here, this little area basically indicates that, hey, it's a trough here. And what these usually mean, these usually help get your low pressure systems. I'm just putting a nail there. That's not where a low pressure system could be or couldn't be. These usually help generate your rainfall, these bring your active periods, your rainfall, your severe weather, all that sort of stuff, your low pressure systems, and that's usually what you need. You need a trough there to really help get stuff started. And then you start talking a little more details. And then you have on this side off over here, which I'll delete that, and then I'll come back over here. What you usually have over on the other side of a trough is a ridge. And here's a good example of this. And when you get in a ridge, which is basically more so like this is where you get your high pressure systems, your sunny, clear conditions, basically what we've been seeing here recently up until this point. And this will be something that we'll have to watch come next Monday. If we take a look at what dew points are showing for around the same time frame, it definitely shows that, hey, there could be some moisture available here. And if we take a look at some other things like the instability, or the CAPE or energy, it's starting to show an increase in that. Now, once again, that may be something that we'll have to watch. Now, this is at 8 p.m. If we back this up some, let's see what happens with it. It kind of shows you there's a better chance for that instability a little later in that afternoon, around 1,000 joules to 500 to 1,000 joules of CAPE or instability, or your energy needed for severe weather, or one of your tools you need for one of your many pieces to the puzzle of severe weather that you need. And once again, there's that severe weather threat for Monday. I don't want to get too technical for you, but just know the conditions are there. There's something there that we are going to have to watch for Monday, and we'll keep a close eye on that and keep you updated with the newest. And as we head towards Monday, once again, we'll let you know more information, and if we have to do another live nonstop radar coverage like we did today, we will do that. Also want to say a huge thank you to all of our new followers and subscribers. Welcome to the page. We upload videos daily throughout the week, and if we have any severe weather, we'll do them during the weekend. We do these live streams where we show the radar, and if there's any warnings or anything that we feel the need to go live for or break into coverage and talk to you like we're talking right now, we will do that. So make sure to stick around and enjoy the videos, and make sure to check us out over on Facebook. That's where we do a whole lot of our posting, a whole lot of just regular content, worded forecasts. A lot of our forecasts are always often over there during the time or during the week, and we post these videos once a day over here and do these live streams in case any during the events of severe weather and stuff of that nature. So that'll bring us to the end of today's video vlog and to the end of today's overnight, not overnight, but live nonstop radar coverage. We'll continue to see scattered showers, maybe some thunderstorms continue throughout the day today. Those are going to continue to decrease as we go from west to east once again. But as always, thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Big thanks as always to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy, Tan Energy and Nutrition. Make sure to check them out all over on Facebook. And as always, have a good rest of your Thursday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.